Today, I'm going to show you how to download any YouTube video on your PC so you're able to watch it offline anytime with no lags. Let's try to break 10,000 likes on this video. Now for the first formula, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is find the video that you'd love to download. Now let's imagine that I wanted to download a video on how to bake a cake. I search that up, I click on the first video, and then I'm 100% sure that this is the video that I would love to download. Now what you want to go ahead and do is go and look for the like, dislike, and share button. Right next to that, you're going to see the download button. Now if you do not see the download button, make sure that your screen is not way too enlarged, because if it's too enlarged, the download button is going to disappear into the 3 dots section. Now once there, just go ahead and click on download. Now if you love to have higher quality videos such as the 1080p or the 720p, you're going to have to purchase YouTube Premium to try that out. However, if you don't have some money to spend, just go ahead and choose the standard or pick the low. I'm going to leave this on standard and I'm going to click on download. Now once my download is done, it says downloaded. Now we want to test this out and find the video, and so we're going to go ahead and click on our internet, and then we're going to turn that off to test this out. Now once your internet is switched off, just go ahead and click on the restart button to ensure that it's not connected. Great. Now we want to go ahead and click on the 3 lines at the top left hand side, and then we want to go ahead and click on the download button right under the U section. Now as you can see, it says downloaded. Now your download is only going to remain as long as you have internet access at least once every 30 days. Now for this second formula, you guys will need to go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right hand side. Once here, just go ahead and click on YouTube Studio. Great. Now once in your YouTube Studio, just go ahead and click on content and wait for that to load. Now once in the content tab, just go ahead and scroll down and find whatever video it is that you want to download. Go ahead and right click the 3 dots option and click on the download button. Now this formula is mainly for YouTube creators that would love to re-download their videos if they've lost it, or they would want to have their video back on their PCs. Honeygain is an application that allows you to share your internet, and in return it gives you money. Now you can earn up to $30 a month and even more, and you can claim $3 once you've registered. Now this is an app that I used and it works very well. Now they also give you daily rewards, and the best part about Honeygain is that it allows you to withdraw right to your PayPal account. Also, it allows you to complete challenges at the right hand side so that it can give you credits for that, and it allows you to add more devices so that you can share more internet. Now if you're on Windows, you get 10% for every bit of internet that you also share.